Okay, in chapter 7 of Excel, we're gonna go over a very interesting part, which is the charts and graphics and how we can take advantage of that part of Excel to visualize our data. So let us start with skill number 1. So it's really important to know that there are many ways to do what I'm going to show you today. It's not the only way. And you might depend also on the operating system you're using. But in general, those steps are very closely related. So when we want to create some type of combinations of shards or combo shards, you always have to remember that you need to specify different type of shards and specifically with a specific data series. Okay, so let us start and see the simulation. This is very easy task.
To create a combination chart, on the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the Combo Chart button. Click the chart type you want. To move one of the data series to the secondary axis, on the Chart Tools Design tab in the Type group, click the Change Chart Type button. In the Change Chart Type dialog, click the Secondary Axis checkbox next to the series name.
Now, pay attention that when he selected, like from the beginning, um, for example, in the first table we have here, you want to create a bar chart in which you want to represent the values of the merchandise and the total uh, sales of those merchandise based on the months. So as you can see, the data was not selected all of it. So from the highlighted area, you can tell to be able to do this, you have to select those rows that you want and uh, the months you want to specify to be able to create that. So pay attention to that when you select charts. Second one.
To insert a tree map or sunburst hierarchy chart, first select the data you want to include in the chart. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the Insert Hierarchy Chart button. Select the specific chart type you want, tree map or sunburst.
Again, it was very easy.
To insert a histogram, Pareto, or box and whisker chart.
Okay, so pay attention here. Is selecting only two of those columns that you want to create a histogram for them with the naming or the header of those tables.
Chart. First, select the data you want to include in the chart. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the Insert Statistic Chart button. Select the specific chart type you want, histogram, Pareto under the histogram section, or box and whisker.
And now we're going to go over the skill number 4, working with waterfall type of charts.
To insert a waterfall chart, first select the data you want to include in the chart. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the Insert Waterfall or Stock Chart button. Select Waterfall.
Very easy.
To add a data series to a chart, with the chart selected, on the Chart Tools Design tab in the Data group, click the
Just I have to mention here, you cannot create data series unless you have time. So the idea of data series you have a timestamp in your data. In our case here, you are creating a series of data based on the months January, February, and March.
The Select Data button. The Select Data Source dialog opens, showing the current data series. Click the Add button. Click the cell for the series name to add the cell reference to the series name box. Click in the series values box and delete the default entry. Click and drag to select the new cell range. Click OK. The Select Data Source dialog opens again with the new data series added. Click OK to add the data series to your chart.
Okay. So as you can see now, you have a series of information related to January, February, and March, and each series represents the blue, the service, the orange, the service packages, sorry, the service individual is the blue, and the gray is the service for individual. Okay.
To apply a style to a data point or data series, select the data point or data series you want to change. On the Chart Tools Format tab, Shape Styles group, click the More button to expand the Shape Styles gallery. Click the style you want. To apply an outline to a data point or data series, select the data point or data series you want to change. On the Chart Tools Format tab,
Just a comment here, because sometimes you select, but as you can see those dots at the corners, they will be on multiple charts. So pay attention if this is the only one you want to select. Pay attention if it really was selected or not.
Shape Styles group, click the Shape Outline button and click the color you want. To change the outline line width, click the Shape Outline button, point to Weight, and select the width you want. To apply a fill color to a data point or data series, select the data point or data series you want to change. On the Chart Tools Format tab, Shape Styles group, click the Shape Fill button and click the color you want. To undo changes and return the selected.
As you notice now, the new fill of yellow applied to the three bars here, because as you can see, he selected the series and he did not select just one bar.
Element to the default chart style, select the data point or data series you want to revert to the original chart style. On the Chart Tools Format tab, in the Current Selection group, click the Reset to Match Style button.
Okay. We're going to stop here and continue the videos in another section to make it shorter.